Today, we're pairing the Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 with a season contender, the Bridgestone Turanza T005. Let's dive in and see which tire comes out on top. Dry performance is crucial for ultra-high performance tires. The Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 excelled in dry braking, stopping 1.5 meters shorter than the Turanza T005. In dry handling, the Eagle F1 was quicker by 2.23 seconds, and it received a 2 subjective rating over the Turanza. The Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 had the fastest first lap pace and felt sporty with precise steering response. In contrast, the Turanza T005 exhibited understeer and took longer to recover grip. Overall, the Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 dominated the dry performance category. Safety in wet conditions is paramount. The Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 outperformed in wet braking, stopping 2.3 meters shorter than the Turanza T005. However, in aquaplaning, it was a close call, with both tires showing similar performance. In wet handling, both tires were nearly matched, with the Eagle F1 being just 0.51 seconds faster. While the Eagle F1 showed clear advantage in wet braking, both tires were equally competent in wet handling and aquaplaning. Comfort and noise levels are essential for a smooth ride. The Turanza T005 scored a perfect 10 out of 10 for comfort, whereas the Eagle F1 scored 9 out of 10. However, the Eagle F1 was significantly quieter, being 4.7 decibels less noisy than the Turanza T005. If exterior noise is a major concern for you, the Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 is the better choice. Rolling resistance affects fuel efficiency. Here, the Turanza T005 excelled with a rolling resistance coefficient of 7.01, outperforming the Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6, which had a coefficient value of 8.84. Given its touring tire nature, the Turanza T005 shines in rolling resistance. To sum it up, the Goodyear Eagle F1 Asymmetric 6 showcases superior performance in dry and wet conditions and excels in noise reduction. Meanwhile, the Bridgestone Turanza T005 offers better comfort and rolling resistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.